everyone. Okay, good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we'll discuss the problem and we'll revisit this problem and find out how to solve this problem. So, consider the following set of points, which is represented as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, and y3. So, here you find out the problem for the minus 2, y1 is minus 1. For x1 equal to 1, y equal to 1, for x equal to 3, y equal to 2. Now we have to find out the equation which will satisfy all these points. Okay, so here we'll declare x1, x2, and x3, and y1, y2, and y3. Now the problem says find the least square regression line for the given data point. Means if you draw this point, then we have to find a line which can satisfy all the points or which can cross through these all the points. So to solve such kind of problem, we have to first design a table because these values are required in the formula. So we'll write the x corresponding values. So x1 is minus 2, x2 is 1, x3 is 3, y1 is minus 1, y2 is 1, y3 is 2. And we'll take a x into y. So we'll multiply the x into y. And the value will be multiplication of x1 into y1. So it will become 2, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 2, 6. Then we'll calculate the value of x square. That will be the value of x square. So minus 2 square is equal to 4. 1 square is equal to 1. 3 square is equal to 9. Now, next we'll take sum of all these values. So we'll take summation of x that will be equal to 2. We'll take summation of y that will be equal to 2. We'll take summation of x multiplied y that will be equal to 9. We'll take summation of x square that will be equal to 14. After that, we calculate the a and b. So a and b is a coefficient. Okay, so a will be your slope, b will be your intercept. So when we draw the line, we'll see what will be the slope and what will be the intercept. So to calculate the a, we have to take value of n, that is the total number of data points. So earlier it was 3. There are 3 data points. Then we put the value of sigma xy, that is 9. Then we'll do minus the value of sigma x into sigma y, that will be 2 into 2. The whole value will be calculated and divided by number n, that is the number of total data point. So that is here 3. We'll take sigma x square, that will 14. We'll take sigma x square. This is x square, and we'll rectify it. So sigma x square is equal to 2. Now we calculate the whole value, it will come 0.605. Same thing, we calculate the b. B will be 1 by n, where the n is the total number of data point in multiplied by sigma y uh, minus a sigma x. So these are the summation of x y minus a summation of x. So these value will be calculated and then that will be outcome 0.263. Now we have a and b. Now we have to find out our line. So our line will be y equal to ax plus b. The value of a is 0.605. Value of b is 0.263. So the whole equation will be y equal to 0.605x plus 0.203 and so on. Okay, so when we draw this line will be represented by this. Okay, and you can find that the points are this line is not crossing the point, so it is maximum satisfying the point in order to follow the least square model. So there is a slightly difference between the observed value and the predicted value. This is called the error of the model. So we can calculate the error of the model and we'll try to minimize it as much as possible. Okay, so next we have gone through the implementation of this problem through the linear regression in Python. Are you interested to discuss this code, or is it okay? Is anyone interested to discuss this code? Okay. Okay. So it's okay if you're not interested. That okay. I've already shared the file uh, to your class, so you can refer those files and you can run the code. Now we'll back to the problem. Yeah. We'll back to the problem. Yeah, this is the problem. So please reply with your answer in the chat box. Create a table, calculate the values of required variable, then put them in the equation. Is it okay, Aditya? Okay. So I'm expecting response from your side. Please reply with your response. Write what will the value of A and B.